Solana has been around for quite a long time in the world of cryptocurrency and is still popular among investors today. Solana is a proof-of-stake cryptocurrency that supports smart contracts such as DeFi, dApps, and NFT. Though it goes down frequently and crashes, people are still investing in it. This one crypto has a lot more advantages than you think, and it's these perks that continue to keep investors interested. And you should also know about these perks if you're curious about SOL. But first, hello and welcome back to the channel. This is CryptoNow. We're back with another incredible video, so please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of each new upload. Solana has a theoretical throughput of 65,000 transactions per second and charges almost nothing. Due to its speed and low transaction costs, it has become one of the most widely utilized blockchains today. Solana, like nearly any other blockchain system today, is still in its early stages and has its flaws. It has sparked debate in the crypto community, with some claiming that its transaction speed is only achievable because the chain has compromised decentralization. So, to dive deeper, what are we waiting for? Without further ado, let's start! Technical capability. As a blockchain, Solana offers a number of groundbreaking features that contribute to its status as one of the world's most performant Layer 1s. The Solana team has proposed a variety of groundbreaking innovations, each with implications for security, bandwidth, and decentralization. It has on-chain clock verification, streams transactions without waiting for global consensus, miniaturizes data packets and transfers them over UDP, and removes the mempool from its programs. All of these capabilities, as well as others, allow us to safely use Solana as our preferred platform. The block speeds and cheap gas expenses are the primary technical advantages here, allowing communities to actually experience what a next-generation launchpad platform looks and feels like. Of course, if all we cared about was faster block times, we wouldn't be so confident in it as a community offering. After all, if all you want is a fast chain, there are plenty on the market. But Solana is more than just speed. Censorship resistant and delegated staking. Solana is unaffected by censorship. It is perfect for day-to-day trading because of its trusty and widely distributed manner. For a fraction of the cost of the most popular cryptocurrencies, you can perform global transactions in seconds. Best of all, unlike fiat currencies, there is no one to stop, ban, or confiscate your transactions because there is no centralized authority over the network. Users benefit from some significant profits over the competition as a delegated staking blockchain. For one thing, by putting their SOL on the network, anyone can earn a passive income. Staking protocols are becoming more popular in the market since they are easier to use for novice users and deliver more consistent benefits than trading. Token whitelists. The token structure system on Solana will be one of the significant advantages. Everything on Solana is tokenized, and this important design decision allows us to achieve some interesting victories over Ethereum. The token whitelisting system is one of the features that Solstarter, an IDO platform for Solana, will offer as part of this. As part of the whitelisting procedures on the Solstarter platform, users will receive a whitelist token. That token essentially provides the pool manager, who in this case are the teams in charge of the sales, access to the given swap. One of the goals of crypto has always been to make things free and equal for everyone, which is why we see so much whitelist sharing in communities and groups of investors. It's often people who want to give their shares to others that have the most difficulty making a transaction work. Although it isn't native to a platform like Ethereum, we can provide that functionality on Solana. Users will be able to give their whitelists to other users on the network by making whitelist tokens instantly transferable. This is a gain for the entire community, since you can now assist your fellow traders and investors by providing them with access to sales that they may have missed or were unable to reach in time. SOS stakers have won yet again. Although not everyone wants to buy into every auction, you may still help your community or group of friends by earning a whitelist for a sale you weren't planning on attending. Tokenized KYC. Another benefit of adopting Solana as our platform of choice is the ability to tokenize KYC in this way. When customers pass KYC, the pool manager will give them another token and add them to the token whitelist, allowing them to sell their tokens. The main advantage is that while KYC tokens are not tradable, they are the start of a complete transfer from centralized off-chain solutions to on-chain KYC. Although Ethereum has thousands of times higher gas prices and is nowhere as blockchain native as Bitcoin, such innovation is achievable. Solana is extremely cheap. One significant benefit, Solana's blockchain allows for incredibly low-cost transactions. Because Solana's technology allows many more transactions per second, tens of thousands, compared to less than 100 for Ethereum, miners who validate transactions on Solana charge significantly less than those who validate transactions on Ethereum. In layman's terms, this implies there's less competition for space on the Solana blockchain. But Solana's journey hasn't been without bumps. Transactions were disrupted for 17 hours in September due to a severe outage. Some doubted the network's ability to expand, while Bitcoin and Ethereum aficionados saw it as proof of the advantages of sticking with more established crypto projects. Supporters claimed it was only a phase of development. Still, this doesn't change the fact that despite being a growing blockchain, it is quite cheap and fast. Good day, mate! We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it thus far. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and turn on notifications to be notified of new uploads. What do you think of Solana so far? Let us know your opinion in the comments below. Let's move forward with the video. Nodes. In Solana, nodes must vote on the legitimacy of blocks and transactions before they may join the chain. Nodes communicate their votes to the leader, who is then in charge of collecting the votes and signing off on the block. Validators are chosen through proof of stake on a standard blockchain. They then generate the next block of transactions and disseminate it to the rest of the network's nodes. The rest of the network then compares the new block to their own ledger version. The ledger and the new block are then audited by each node against all other nodes in the network. From here, nodes can decide whether or not to accept this new block as valid. The process continues until a majority of nodes agree on a single new chain version. While time-consuming, allowing nodes to reach an agreement without the need for an intermediary to count votes has been at the heart of decentralized blockchains since the inception of Bitcoin. Solana Tokenomics. There are presently 315,100,273 SOL coins in circulation, with a total quantity of 511,616,946 coins available without a set limit. There are two applications for the SOL token. The first is staking, in which token holders stake their SOL in exchange for incentives. The other allows users to pay fees related to smart contract execution or other transactions with SOL. Solana also distributes a specific amount of inflation-based rewards to its weighted validator set, which secures the Solana network. The quantity of staked tokens determines the weight of each staking payout. The quantity of tokens staked in relation to the total token supply determines the yield. That's a huge number that represents a huge advantage. Way to go, Solana's tokenomics! Solana's overall quality and efficiency. In the last 2 years, as the DeFi and non-fungible token ecosystems have grown in popularity, Ethereum's network has become overburdened and too expensive to utilize. Solana's chain provides what Ethereum currently lacks: rapid, low-cost transactions. As a result, both the production of decentralized applications, or dApps, and transactions on Solana's chain have increased rapidly. While Ethereum's ocean of dApps still has over $125 billion in it, Solana is rapidly expanding. Solana has grown to become the 6th most popular DeFi platform in value since its inception in 2017. On Solana, about $8.6 billion is currently locked in various DeFi dApps, the majority of which was earned in 2021 alone. In comparison to other blockchains, Solana's speed and low cost make it simple to use, making it appealing to both novice and advanced crypto users. Solana has a wide variety of advantages and benefits that investors seek. What do you think of these benefits? Would you also like to invest in SOL someday? Let us know in the comments. That concludes today's video. Please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of new uploads. This is CryptoNow, and we'll see you in our next video.